And a very good day to all my viewers out there. It is right now Friday, March 24th, 2023. It is exactly 4:08 p.m. Atlantic time. That's right, 4:08 p.m. Atlantic time. We are here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. That's why it's Atlantic time. And that in front of you, that beautiful void of water, that is indeed the Atlantic Ocean. Facing directly south, more or less. And I checked on Google Maps. If you were to draw a straight line in that direction, right through the ocean, you'd eventually get to Brazil, South America. And we got some cool ducks down here. Not sure what species they are, but they're able to dive in the water. But look at that, the Atlantic Ocean, amazing. What a beautiful sight. And this is of course Halifax, Nova Scotia, where I am right now. On this little mini trip, solo mini trip on my own. And this is Mount Pleasant Park. Mount Pleasant Park. Very beautiful walk I just did here. A lot of nature, historical buildings, wildlife. And we'll go down here a little bit closer to the water. And this is, of course, where Halifax Harbor is. You go down that way. And there it is, the Atlantic Ocean. There's a ship there. Grimaldi Lines, must be a container ship or a freight liner. There's some tugboats there bringing it in. It's chilly, it's cool, but it's a beautiful moment. This just standing by the ocean. Let's go down carefully and try to get a closer look. These rocks are slippery, but sometimes you gotta go on the rugged path. Here it is, the Atlantic Ocean. Yeah, and these rocks are not just loose, but they're also slippery. And we'll go up close here and get a beautiful view of the ocean. I would touch the water right now. I would touch it because it's the ocean and it's symbolic. But I don't know what's in the water here because this is a harbor, a municipal harbor. So, but there it is. Thank you all for watching. More videos to come.